Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to make a component unique. For example, I will draw rectangle and use pull tools to convert into 3D. Now you can triple click, right click, choose make a component, click create. After it, I will copy with this move tools. So I will click from this point to here, and then again I will move into this point. If you change these objects, like you can triple click and I will draw rectangle in the top and use pull tools, the other component will be automatically updated. So if you want to make unique one component, you can select, right click, and then choose make unique. And if you change this component, the other won't change, like this. So it will be automatically unique this component. And if you update again another object to be update for another component, like in this object, and I will extrude inside here. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorial how to make a component unique. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.